Oh no, Dingo. Are you going to sneeze? I think so. Maybe this feather will help. Not helping. Try smelling this flower. It's getting worse. Maybe just a tiny bit. Don't sneeze, Dingy. I can't hold it anymore. Achoo! Wow, look at all the toys. That was the biggest sneeze ever. Best sneeze ever. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye. And subscribe to our channel.